Welcome to the Caliper channel. In today's video, I'll show you how to block websites from your Windows 11 laptop or desktop settings. So, at first, just go to this PC. From this PC, go to local disk C or your system drive. Then from here, just go inside Windows. Then from here, you need to search for System32. Just go inside System32. From here, search for drivers. Just go inside drivers. Then go to the etc or extra folder. From here, you'll find host. Now make sure to keep a backup of host. So copy it on desktop. This is the backup. And just edit the host. Click on edit in Notepad. And in here, in the last line, you need to type 127.0.0.1 and then the URL of the website. For example, facebook.com. And after that, just save this file. Then just go ahead and restart your PC. Then just come back and open any of your browser and try to go to facebook.com. And as you can see, facebook.com is not loading. And if you need to block any of the other websites, just put the other website there and those websites will be blocked. And basically that is how to block any website from Windows 11 laptop or desktop computer settings. I hope this video was helpful. If it was, please give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe.